Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC hakakan retrik unailar arja arpusau kalaupun sngow bakan sasyem da kasian jam kabating persya ginong mikmat kibamut ban petseng bat kibatmu banak penyaso bat ke NPP. Kani kejingpen sngow ke MPCC kawan ha kejingelang kabakala shongker ke ha Congress Bhavan ya kabala benta daw member ke Parlimen Natura usaleng sangma Unong elam ke Congress Legislature Assembly ubat Ronnie V. Lingdo, ke Working President ke Deborah Marak, ubat PNCM MDC bat kiwe-kiwe. Habakran sikilat patai kubor UMPCC President, ubat Vincent H. Pala ula pentim, bawai ni kita ginong mikmat na umsning constituency u Dr. Celestine Lingdo, ula syak khot bat syaktian bishar syapang ke jinglong jingman, bat upala ula pentim, baw Dr. Celestine ula batai lengkot syakino elam ya ke MPCC, bat ya turu ya ke jingyok priang jing terwana ke NPP, kata ya laingot ki MLA ke bagi kelempat airai AA. Nakaliang upala uloong, kani kadai jing persang jong ke sarkar senrop BJP bat NPP, ki badan jing temu ban pentelot ya ke Kongres Meghalaya, da ke ba ukuntu ya ki nong mikmat ke Kongres, bakim day ban ngop hakini ki AKA baro, namar kani kadai jing temu baki basen syar ki don ke AKA Shalandan.
Thank you. Today we had a meeting, a normal meeting, because as you have seen, it came up in the news that few members are likely to go. So then we had a meeting and we invited those members also. Among those 3 MLAs who are likely to go, Dr. Bom came and briefed us. He said that we are not going as on today. We are still thinking. There was an offer from the NPP for lots of development schemes. For example, they offered them blocks, they offered them roads, they offered them so many things to join with them. But he said that they have not decided. So that's why he came, he briefed us. There's a very desperate move by the BJP NPP to destroy the Congress. They know that the sentiments of the people are with the Congress now, not only in the state but all India level. They think by taking the MLAs with them, by trading the MLAs with them, they'll destroy us, especially for the Gambigre election and the MDC election. But we give a warning to the MLAs that stern action will be taken to all of them if they do that. At the same time, I think they are thinking. So we do our job and will not spare anyone. We'll take a stern action against any one of them, will not spare them. There's no questions that the Congress is soft or the president is not taking decisions, because I was away to US because my daughter is working in US, and then I went there to see her accommodation and everything. But we did not take action because based on press or based on others. But now we've got a report from the blocks. We have taken record. We called them. So I thought, as a president, as leader of the opposition, as an MP, we all here, we should listen to them. So we should be not only loyal to our party, we should also be fair to our member, give them a chance by listening to them. That's why we have not taken action so far. So now I think since we have given them a request and appeal, so let's see what they say, and then they'll come back to us. We'll try to meet 2 other more MLAs also. If they are willing, we're ready to meet. Otherwise, we do our own job.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam don ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.